Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello and welcome to you all once again in Learn More YouTube channel. Today again I am here with one new topic which is related to Excel. As you can see in the screen, there is one mark sheet and altogether I have included 16 students and there are 5 subjects. You can see in the screen: English, Math, Science, Social, Computer, and obtain marks of all these 16 students. Now I am going to find today total, percentage, result, and rank. How to find total, how to find percentage, how to find result, how to find rank. Let's start. Okay, at first total. At first I am going to find total by using a sum function. As you all know that sum function helps to find total, and you know that our formula in Excel always starts with equals to sign. Equals to. Now we are going to find the sum of RAM at first. As you can see, RAM has obtained 56 in English, 44 in Maths, 44 in Science, 76 in Social, and 77 in Computer. Let's add all these to get total. Obtain max of RAM. Okay, is equal to sign. Yes, you have sum. Now bracket. You can see now we are going to add the marks of RAM. 56 to 77. 56 is obtained by RAM in English. Now let's add 56. What is the cell address of 56? Cell address of 56 is C5. How to find the cell address? Now I'm going to tell. Okay, 56 lies in C column and 5th row. Therefore, the cell address of 56 is C5. C5 to C5. From C5 to we are going to add up to 77. 77 is also obtained by RAM in computer. Okay, C5 to, what is the cell address of 77? 77 lies in G column and 5th row. It means G5. G5 is the cell address of 77. Means we have add 56, 44, 44, 76 and 77. You can see blue highlighted line also there. This is your formula. It is equal to sum C5 to G5 from 56 to 77. C5 to G5. Now you can press enter from keyboard. Now as you can see, total marks of RAM 297. This is the total marks of RAM. After calculating total marks of RAM by using formula, now just you can copy the formula. Now how to copy formula? After finding total of RAM, just you can see the cell which is active. It means you can see there to the right bottom corner, you can see there small square box. Just take your cursor there and drag downside. When you see the plus sign, drag downside like this, and you can copy your formula in this way. Now you can see the total marks of all remaining 15 students also calculated in this way. No need to use time and again formula. Just you can copy the formula by dragging the small square box. Okay, now calculating percentage. Now before calculating percentage, I would like to tell the formula. To find percentage, percent is equal to total obtained marks. Total obtained marks divided by total marks into 100. This is your formula. This is your formula to find percentage. Total obtained marks divided by, sorry, this is total obtained marks divided by total marks into 100. What is total obtained marks? At first let's find the percentage of RAM and then we can copy the formula. Equals to sign. As you all know that formula always starts with equals to sign. Now let's find the percentage of RAM. total obtained marks. What is the total obtained marks of RAM? 297. What is the cell address of 297? 297 lies in H column and fifth row. It means H5 is the cell address of 297, that is obtained marks of RAM, and divide by total marks. Altogether there are 5 subjects and each subject full marks is 100. It means total marks is 500 and into 100. Now multiply 100. This is your formula to find percentage. After using formula, then you can press enter. Then you can see the percentage of RAM, that is 59.4. Now after finding the percentage of RAM, just you can copy as before. You can see the small square box to the bottom of right side. Just you can drag it down in this way. Then after you can see the percentage of each and every students. Just copying the formula, not using time and again. No need to use again and again. Just you can copy the formula. Now finding the result. Now to find result, what we have to do is to find result. Now we will use here formula in the formula bar. Our formula always starts with equals to sign. Now if bracket and bracket. Now we will check the obtained marks of each subject by 40. Why 40? Because 40 is our pass mark. Full marks is 100. It means pass mark will be 40. What is the cell address of 56? C5 is greater or equal to 40. Why 40? Because we are assuming that 40 is our pass mark out of 100. 40. And again, let's take the marks of maths. D5 greater or equal to 40. Again, comma. Science marks greater or equal to 40. Again, social marks. Okay, sorry. Let me use comma there. Comma. Social marks greater or equal to 40. Again, comma. Computer marks greater or equal to 40. And let's close the bracket. After closing the bracket, what you are going to do is, now you are going to use comma. Then after, if this condition satisfy, then student is pass. If this condition satisfy, then student is pass. You can write here pass, comma. If this condition does not, the first condition does not satisfy, then student is failed. F-A-I-L-E-D, you can write failed. Then after, let's close the bracket. In this way, this is your formula. If and C5. C5 means obtain marks of English is greater or equal to 40. Why 40? Because 40 is our pass mark. And D5 is the obtain marks in maths. And E5 is obtain marks of science. F5 is obtain marks of social. G5 is obtain marks of computer. And we are checking with 40, that is pass mark. If this condition satisfy, then it will display pass. If this first condition does not satisfy, then it will display failed. Okay, let's press enter key. Then after, you can see here RAM is pass. Now as before, just you can take your pointer to this square box. As you see the plus sign, just drag it downside. It means copying the formula. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 students are failed. Let me see the last. Binay is failed. Binay is failed in which subject? In science. He has obtained just 34. So he is failed. And in the same way, next student, Deep is failed. Deep has obtained only 33 in English. 40 is our pass mark. And talking about Amrit is also failed in social because he has obtained only 33. In the same way, Puran is also failed. He has obtained 34 in English and 44 in science, which is less than pass mark. Our pass mark is 40. In this way, you can calculate result, find out result. Now, finding the rank. Now, who is first, second, third? Now we are going to find, it means rank. Now let's use formula in formula bar. Formula always starts with equals to sign. Now we are going to use rank function, rank. Now we are going to check in total. What is the cell address of total 297? Just you can click here, that is H5, comma you can use here now, comma H5. Now again we are comparing from this column H5 to what is the last, that is H20. Now you can close the bracket. Now after closing the bracket, just what you do, just you select the two cell address after comma, okay, after comma. Just you can select like this, and you have to press F4 from your keyboard. After pressing F4, just press enter key. Now you can see RAM is in 14th position. Now as before, just you can copy the formula like this way. Now as you can see here, first has come in first position, that is Sita. She has obtained 78.6%, and second, that is Dayaram. He has obtained 77%, and in this same way third, that is Samjana. She has obtained 76.8. In this way you can find out rank. Okay, let me delete this formula. Okay, in this way you can calculate rank. Okay, let me make it in center align. It looks nice. Then after, let me add one table here. It looks nice. Okay. In this way, you can calculate total, percentage, result, and rank. Just let's make this also center aligned. Hope you understood how to find out total, percentage, result, rank. Let's make this also center. Looks more attractive. Center align, this also center align. In this way you can calculate. And if you have any confusion, you can comment below. And if you are new in this YouTube channel, please subscribe and support me. Thank you very much.